Can I apply a moisturizer after using a scrub?
Hey there! Are you wondering if you can apply a moisturizer after using a scrub? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be discussing the proper way to combine these skincare products for the best results.
Why use a scrub and moisturizer?
First, let's understand why we use scrubs and moisturizers in our skincare routine. Scrubs help to exfoliate the skin and remove dead skin cells, while moisturizers work to hydrate and nourish the skin. Combining these two products can lead to smoother, healthier-looking skin.
Can I apply a moisturizer after using a scrub?
The answer is a resounding yes. In fact, it's highly recommended to follow up your scrub with a moisturizer. Here's why. Lock in moisture. Applying a moisturizer after using a scrub helps to seal in the hydration and prevents your skin from becoming dry and irritated. Enhance skin barrier. A moisturizer can strengthen your skin's natural barrier after exfoliation, making it more resilient against external aggressors. Soothe the skin. Moisturizers often contain soothing ingredients that help calm any redness or irritation caused by the scrubbing process.
How to properly apply a moisturizer after using a scrub?
Follow these steps to get the most out of your skincare routine. 1. Cleanse your skin. Start by cleansing your face with a gentle cleanser to remove makeup, dirt, and oil. 2. Exfoliate with a scrub. Gently massage the scrub onto your skin using circular motions, then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. 3. Pat your skin dry. After rinsing, pat your skin dry with a clean towel, being careful not to rub or tug. 4. Apply a moisturizer. Gently apply your favorite moisturizer to your face, massaging it into your skin in upward motions. In conclusion, applying a moisturizer after using a scrub is not only safe but also highly recommended. It helps lock in moisture, enhances your skin's natural barrier, and soothes any irritation caused by exfoliation. Remember to cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize for the best results. Happy skincare!